Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host Buck Ning, and today we're going to talk about two stocks that we're going to pick for the month of October that we'll be purchasing on a weekly basis. And yeah, we'll get right into it, and we'll obviously pick the reasons why. Well, not pick the reasons why, but give you the reasons why I'm picking these two stocks. One I'm definitely going in to purchase over the weeks, and then one is just going to be on my watch list. It's between the one of the two, and I'll give you the comparison on which one I'm going with. But for your own sake, pick whichever one you want, or look at other things. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And this is where we do the $100 a week, putting into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And so before we get into that, we're going to take a look at the portfolio itself. So we currently were able to, for the whole month of September, purchase stock in the Bank of Nova Scotia. So we get the dividend at the end of the month of October. And then through October, we'll be purchasing one of these two stocks that I'll be talking about. So currently Bank of Nova Scotia for the day is 55.52, and I have 7 shares, and the yield currently is 6.49. And for the portfolio itself, we are up 56 cents at 0.11% as of right now. For the week, we are up $6.57, so up 1.29%. For the month, same thing, up $6.59, 1.29%. Overall, we're just up 1.29% off just the one stock that we hold a position in with 7 shares. And so we will also go to track your dividends to show you the portfolio itself as it's being built. And so currently our portfolio value currently is, that doesn't seem right, now does it? Maybe it is. Yeah, 387. I think that's yeah, that's right. Because that's why. Because obviously today is Tuesday. I forgot that we transferred. Not today is Tuesday, but today is Wednesday. But I transferred $100 last night, yesterday. So that's what brings our portfolio value up to 516 on this page, because I also have $27.95 in cash currently, and then $100 currently unavailable. So I guess I'll just show you the email right over here to confirm that we are transferring $100 a week into the portfolio. But we'll go back to this other one. So currently our portfolio value is $389. That's without the cash portion. We are up $7. Dividend yield currently today with Bank of Nova Scotia is 6.48%. The portfolio that we are building right now has a yield on cost of 6.6%, which means I am getting a higher dividend than somebody who's buying today, because I was able to purchase at a lower price throughout the month, and then the annual income is $25. So ticker symbol for Bank of Nova Scotia is BNS.TO. TO is just Toronto Stock Exchange, Canadian, sorry. Shares are at 7. We have a price of $55.57. Our average cost is $54.58. We have a profit of almost $7. And again, we went through that, and our annual income is $25.20. So going back to the stocks that we are going to be picking, I'm going to go through the one that is going to be on my watch list. And if you're wondering what it is one of these. Definitely not Tesla, because I have Tesla in a different portfolio. So we have Royal Bank of Canada, which is, again, a financial institute, but we talk about stability, and nothing's more stable than Canadian banks, to be honest. In my opinion, this is totally my opinion. They're so heavily regulated, they can't expand across Canada. So how can they grow as much? It's almost difficult. Some do expand, down south into the United States, and some are around the world, but it's not to the expansion pace of other financial institutes like our counterparts in the US. But to talk about Royal Bank has been around for 156 years, and they've been paying a dividend for 150 years straight. So currently, Royal Bank sits at a dividend yield of 4.54%. The 52-week low is $72. The 52-week high is $109.68. And it sits at 94.01. For the past 5 years, it's had a 21% gain in the marketplace, which is fantastic over 5 years. This one is on my watch list only because it does pay a dividend at the end of November. I think it's November 24th for each share that you own. I think it's $1.05 or $1.06 that they pay you. And currently this, from the 52-week high, it sits at a price of 94.02. So the percentage discount that I like to look at it is about 14%. And so just keep that in mind. The ticker symbol for this is RY. To find it on any trading platform is RY.TO. Great stock, good stock to have in your portfolio. Nothing wrong with it. And I'll tell you why I'm going to be going with the other one. So the next one we're going to be looking at is actually Bank of Montreal. Ticker symbol BMO for Bank of Montreal. Currently the price sits at $78.29. And it's up 0.15%, so up 12 cents. The 52-week low currently is 55.76%, or not percent, dollars. And the 52-week high is 104.75. So currently, the discounted price right now that I like to look at it is taking the 52-week high and subtracting the current price that it's currently sitting at. And that's roughly, and doing the calculation, that's roughly about a 25% discount. These guys also are paying a dividend at the end of the month. And I think theirs is $1.06. So the yield on this one is 5.39%. And the 5 year, if you look at the 5 year, this one hasn't had as much growth as Royal Bank. But BMO is a strong company. If you can look, it's 9.87% in the past 5 years up. But this company is 203 years old. 203 years old. And they've been paying a dividend for 190 years. 190. And the yield is higher than say Royal Bank. And this is where I'm going to get into the part where I'm going to pick between the two, and one's just going to be on my watch list and see if, sometime through the month, if it does dip below to a certain price point, then I'm totally cool. They're both good buys. But I'm just going to go with BMO, and here's why. BMO is currently at a 25% discount from its 52-week high. It's had a dividend streak of 190 years, and it's 203 years old, and it's stable. Never have I ever, had doubt in this bank, this company, and it has a higher yield of 5.39%, but it's definitely stable. And that's what this portfolio is about, is having stability, but having that stream of income as well. And so that's why I'm purchasing it. Because of the price point that it's currently at, there is no reason why I shouldn't buy this stock for this portfolio. And at a 25% discount, that's a steal. That is a steal. Let's just take a look here. Where was it? Right before this whole things started in the world, it was at 104 in March, and it dropped down to almost 56. Come on, there we go. 56.24 on March 22nd, and it's just been going up. It's been trending up slowly, but it's getting to the point where, there's some points in there where it hit, I think, 80 bucks. Yeah, 83 bucks, and now it sits at 78. This is a steal. And so throughout the week, I'm going to be purchasing BMO for sure. And that's the reason why I'm picking BMO and putting Royal Bank on the watch list. I'm not going to buy both because I just want to make this as realistic as I can for everyone who's watching and enjoying these videos. How easy it is to, just create a dividend portfolio, get into the stock market with just $100 a week. If you don't have $100, go in with $50 a week, because you can still purchase things. You're not purchasing stocks right away, but it's going to take time. But you're not going to regret it, and that's That's my take on it. So like I'm up $6.80. That's massive. If you can't get excited about $6.80, I don't know how you get excited about making $1 million, you know. And so it's definitely a journey, and it's awesome, and I'm very happy to share this with you. So those are my stock picks for October of 2020. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did enjoy the video, you know, consider subscribing, maybe hitting that like. It does help out the channel grow. We've had immense growth. Last month we were like, we have what, 45 subscribers. That's amazing. I think that's totally cool. So thank you. Thank you for leaving the likes. Thank you for leaving the comments. You know, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys on Friday when we purchase a BMO stock and update the dividend tracker, which is right here. And that is going to be updated, and it's going to be great, you know. And yeah, finally see some growth and increase that dividend per year. So again, if you did enjoy the video, leave a like, and we'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.